Hey everybody, Desert Guardian here. Here at Desert Guardian, we do a lot of videos on pistols, rifles, firearms, things that go bang. I mean, these things make a ton of noise. So, one thing we don't focus on a lot is hearing protection. So today, I wanted to talk to you about the Pro for Show Maximum Hearing Protection earmuffs. So, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside the box. All right, here we go. So like I said, we do a lot of focus on firearms and things like that. We try to talk about safety. I always have, my guns are all safe here and unloaded and everything, but one of the things we don't talk about a lot is protecting those ears. So I was contacted by Pro for Show recently because they just put out the noise reduction ratio, 34 decibel, the highest you can do, safety earmuffs. And these are a lightweight, inexpensive earmuff for everybody. So let's take a look. So inside the box, we've got the muffs. I'll set the box aside. Got a little plastic protective cover on it. All right, and here we go. So here are the Pro for Show safety earmuffs. So you know what? You're looking at it going, yeah, okay, they're earmuffs. Well, yeah, that's exactly what they are. And you know what they do? They protect your hearing because you can't replace your ears. So they come in two sizes. There's a small and a large. This one's the small, and this is kind of a one-size-fits-all on it. So we'll take a look at it here. So like coming into the box, they're nice and compact. They'll fit in your range bag just fine. Pop them out like so. And then you can adjust them even further with the extendable arms. So there you go. So that's going to fit most heads there. I've got a pretty big head, and these fit me really well. One thing you do notice right out of the box is they are pretty tight. So part of the instruction manual says, hey, to stretch them out a little bit, set them on the box for a while. And that's going to actually help this bar relax a little bit. So, they come in a nice compact form when they ship it to you. But yeah, if you want it to relax a little bit, just set it on the box for a couple hours, let it relax. The good news is the ear well in this thing has a very, very comfortable donut around your ear. So even with them tight, they're not going to be uncomfortable. You also have some padding on top of your head. But these things are super lightweight. These aren't a powered one. They don't have a microphone or anything like that at them. These are your basic hearing protection. But that 34 decibel rating, that maximum noise reduction rating that they have, makes them a great option for shooting. But they're not just for shooting. I went out and jumped on the riding lawnmower and thought, man, this thing is super noisy. I don't want to listen to it for an hour. So what do? I throw on my muffs. Makes it manageable. Just so easy. Yeah, if you are doing some landscaping, you're running a power blower or a weed whacker or a lawnmower or working a machine shop, if you're turning something on a lathe or using, drills and presses and, stuff that makes a lot of noise, protect those ears. That's what these are designed for. These are inexpensive. They have an awesome warranty. In fact, when you open up the package, it comes with a little instruction manual that I've got right here. Oh, there we go. Talks about stretching it out on the box. It's pretty easy. How do you adjust it? And right here is a little note, and it says, if for any reason you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, before returning the product or leaving any negative product review, please contact me, the owner, David, at proforshow.com. Okay, you don't see that very often. The owner of the company says, hey, if you have any issues, you call me, you email me directly. And that's kind of the contact I've had with the company so far. They are really in tune with their customers. They stand behind their product. They are tested, they're rated, they're top notch, and they're inexpensive. What more could you want? That combined with a great warranty and great customer service. So that's them. That's the Pro for Show Maximum Hearing Protection earmuffs. They're light. These are. I've got to say, man, I wish I had them around here somewhere. I've got my old set of earmuffs that are about, non-powered ones that are about twice the size of this. And honestly, I don't think they protect my hearing as much as these do. So they're way smaller. They're way lighter weight. It's got this really nice, folding design to make it compact, easy to carry. Like I said, throw it in the range bag. I actually want to get a pair of these, and I'm just going to leave it in the cup holder of my riding lawnmower so it's always there, so I don't fire it up and then I'm like, oh, gotta go inside, get the hearing protection. So yeah, So these are the Pro for Show earmuffs. Maximum hearing protection, 34 decibel rating, noise reduction. They're new. They're a small company. They're easy to get a hold of, easy to deal with, great customer service. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. Like I said, we got to protect our ears. It's the only set we get. I'm going to leave a link down there to Pro for Show so you know how to get a hold of them. So if you're looking for an alternate for ear protection, I know a lot of people, I'll back up a little bit. A lot of people bring those, scrunch it up and jam it in your earplugs, and those work for some things, but you still get air gaps in it, and you still are uncomfortable with the stuff sticking in your ear. And then a lot of people say, "Oh, hey, you should try these amplified ones," and then those are much more expensive. So you kind of have the best of all worlds with these. Sure, they don't have a microphone in them, but they also cost a tenth the price of some of those out there, and you don't have to worry about the uncomfortable ones wound up and stuffed in your ears. So yeah, check them out. Pro for Show is the name. I'm going to put some links down below. Questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. And hey, please hit that subscribe button. I'm going to have lots more videos on firearms and gear, knives, things like that. We'll try to get some more protective gear stuff on there for you. But yeah, that's it for now. Desert Guardian, out.